change the following improper fractions to mixed numbers or whole numbers only. These are called improper because 12 is bigger than 7, 24 is bigger than 8, and 35 is bigger than 11. So if we take the first one, which is 12 over 7, what you do is you say, how many times does 7 go into 12? It goes in 1. Now, what's the remainder? The remainder will be 12 minus 7, which is 5. So write 5, and that's 5 over 7. So 12 sevenths as a mixed number as 1 and 5 sevenths. Part B, 24 over 8, same idea. How many times does 8 go into 24? Well, 8 goes into 24 exactly, so this will just give an whole number 3. C, 35 over 11. How many times does 11 go into 35? Well, the answer is 3. How many left over? 3 11s are 33, so 35 minus 33 gives me 2 over 11. The top two here, this one and this one, are called mixed numbers. These fractions here are called improper fractions. So this has been a video to show you how to convert improper fractions into a mixed number or a whole number. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.